question is that it has been observed that students who graduate are not paying chanda according to the prescribed rates.
Those who are not graduate, are they paying according to the prescribed rate?
Zur, sometimes what happens is they keep paying the student rate even after graduation.
If they are working or they are getting any stipend or any scholarship or any pocket money, they should pay according to that, on that money they are earning, getting regularly. Those who are not getting any income from their parents, no pocket money, no scholarship, no other, some students are, university students are doing research, and they also get some small amount, some stipend or some money. So they should pay according to that. So you can just ask them that if you are earning, it's better to give your chanda according to the prescribed rate, because you are not giving your chanda to Sadr Khudam al-Ahmadiyya or to the Jamaat. You are paying membership chanda for the sake of earning Allah's love. It is one of the commandments in the Holy Quran. You see, the commandment which has been given in the beginning of the Holy Quran. Right? So, if they say that because they are meeting their day-to-day expenses and they cannot afford to pay chanda according to the prescribed rate, then they can ask Sadr Sahib, or if this is Khudam al-Ahmadiyya chanda, or if it is Jamaat chanda, they can ask Jamaat administration that because of this reason I am unable to pay chanda according to the prescribed rate. We can only ask them, we can only advise them, we can not force them. So if they realize that they are paying their chanda for the sake of Allah, for the sake of getting Allah's love, because Allah has commanded them to pay chanda for their betterment and for running the day-to-day expenses of the Jamaat. You see, if they realize that the chanda is being used for some particular purpose and for good purpose, then they will pay. So you make them realize that where are you spending this money? When I announced Tariqa-e-Jadid in New Year, sometime I do explain that this money is being spent in Africa for that purpose, in Qadian, in India for that purpose, or in other part of the world for that purpose. So, and then there are quite a number of people who have written back to me that after having listened to your khutbah, we now realize that why should we pay chanda? And now we shall pay according to our capacity and according to the prescribed rate. See? So instead of pushing them in a wrong way, you just make them realize that what is their duty and why are they paying. See? Why is very common among the new generation. So you have to answer that why. See? You have to address that why. Right?
जी.
ठीक है.
ऐ शख्स तू जा